I'm in fine spirits because this is one of the best places in the south of England to spot raptors. Actually, look, there's a logbook here. I'll have a little peep to see what people have been spotting in recent days. What have we got raptor-wise? Common buzzard, hen harrier, peregrine. See what I mean? There's a whole range of different species that you could spot here. Right, what do we got here? There's a couple of things flying over there. Bunch of lapwing have turned up over there. I like a lapwing. Fluttering. They tend to flutter, don't they, the lapwing? Oh, hello. Marsh harrier. Look at that. They now breed here in Poole Harbour, which is fantastic news. It's not the greatest view that I've ever had, but we're not about great views, we're about totals. So, the score on the door is 1. Not bad. I'm going to put it in the book. In my very, very best handwriting. And there's a few more wildfowl there. Prey. Peregrine prey. Bird burgers. Just watching those birds can give you an indication as to what's happening when it comes to predators, because if a peregrine were to fly over now that channel, the whole lot would go up. It's particularly teal. Teal love a panic when there's a peregrine around. I mean, they live for it. I think I've got a buzzard. I need the Hubble Space Telescope to be able to identify it. It's on a fence post, 2.8 miles away. Yeah, buzzard. At last, some decent birds. Oh, look at that. Avocet. They're so good. Still like to see one being eaten by a peregrine, though. Oh, God, that is absolutely gorgeous. Eurasian kestrel. And you can see its head's constantly moving. It's scanning the fields for any movement. It's on vole patrol. Imagine having its eyesight for just a morning. Better update the logbook. Now, so we had the marsh harrier, we've had common buzzard, the beautiful common kestrel, best avocet. Frankly, why do other birds bother?